Have you ever wanted to chat with your PDF documents just like ChatGPT? Imagine uploading any PDF, asking questions in natural language, and getting accurate answers instantly. In this video, I will show you how I built a complete RAG application using React.js, Node.js, MongoDB, and Llama 3. By end of this tutorial, you will have your own AI-powered PDF chatbot. You can find the complete source code in the description below. This is a complete user interface of this project, and here you can see this is the search bar, and this is the option where we can upload the PDF. Now I'm going to type hi, then enter it will generate a response hello world. But we will show if I upload a PDF, then I will ask the question according to the PDF, then what would be the response of this chat application. So here you can see there are some information about the Mohan: name, age, city, profession, company experience, skills, hobbies. So this is the all detail. Now I am going to upload this PDF. I have selected the PDF. Now the PDF successfully uploaded. So now I will ask the question from the PDF. Then it will generate the response according to the context of the PDF. So I am asking the question, who is Mohan? Then it will generate the response according to the PDF. Here you can see the complete response which is related to this PDF. First they will compare the PDF and then generate the response. I will ask another question. It will also generate the response according to the provided data. So it will help if you implement this project. If any organization like schools and hospitals, then it will generate the data according to their provided information according to the schools or hospital database. Here you can see the complete source code including frontend and backend. This is all source code of backend including the RAG and LangChain, Vector DB, each and everything implemented here. And this is complete front-end code. Now this env key is needed for run this project. First is Grok API and second is Hugging Face API and MongoDB URI. This is needed for backend. Now here first we find the Grok API key. So we need to search Grok API key and click on first website. I have already created this API key, so you can create from here. Okay. Now I'm going to delete which is I have created. Okay. So you can log in with your email ID and generate your Grok API key. This is completely free. Now the second key is Hugging Face auth token. So I am typing Hugging Face and enter it. Click on first website and log in with your email ID. I have already logged in, so you can click on your profile and go to the access token. And here you can generate your token and copy paste from here and paste in your env key. Okay. Now this is complete process how to run this project. Thank you for watching this video.